Bitcoin's price has always been a roller coaster ride, and predicting its next move is like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. With AI algorithms analyzing vast amounts of data, from market trends to social media sentiment, there's a fascinating blend of science and speculation at play. Recent models suggest that if Bitcoin can break through the $183,200 resistance level, we might see a surge towards $250,000 aprox. However, volatility is the name of the game. According to AI, it is most likely to fall back to around $46,400 by 2027. Factors like regulatory news, macroeconomic shifts, and even celebrity endorsements can send prices spiraling in unexpected directions. AI can identify patterns and correlations that humans might miss, but it's not foolproof. The crypto market is influenced by emotions, making it unpredictable. So while AI can offer insights, it's essential to stay cautious and informed. In this digital gold rush, knowledge is your best ally.